Hi everyone, my name is Jair Aguirre. I study graphic design. I live in Pereira. Today is September 24, 2022. Welcome to my home. Let's introduce my family. These names are Carolina and Anthonella. Carolina is an accountant, has worked independent. We go a walk every day. When I am studying, usually use a notebook, this pencil, and this computer. I go to work every day by bus. I work in a school as technical drawing teacher. When a students are sick, I call nurse school. I go to work in playtime and talk with the students. When the working day, sometimes I go to training CrossFit an hour. Then I wait for a Carolina and two girls let's go and Antonella and they go at home. For close my day, forever we eat together and almost always I prepare dinner. My friends, see you to next class. Bye bye.